objective of this demonstration is to write a computer program to compute the area of a circle. And if we see the expression of area of circle, so it is area uh, pi times r squared. So it is clear from this expression that in a computer program, we have to get the value of radius. So r is for radius of a circle. So circle is like this, right? So this is something which represents the radius, okay, distance of any point from the center, and in circle, it remains constant for all the set of points. And pi value, we have to define this one with a variable. So this is going to be another variable. So I can recognize inputs are the radius, and I have to define a variable for this one. Then for the value of pi, so I have to use the English alphabets. So since the pi with this symbol is not available in Fortran language, right? So I have to define this one. So these are the required data. Then I have to keep another variable for the output as the area. And so far in this one, the units of R has not been specified, right? So we can ask user to stay with those units, and that's going to be the later part of the program. And we would like to have an option for the user to review his or her input. So let's get to the Fortran text file. So this is here. I'm going to write the program. The program, I write program area of circle. So for today, it is area C. And for a program, there must be a definite end program area C. And I will save this program to a working directory. So the address has been remembered. So Fortran freeform. So I already have two files that we developed earlier in the classes. So it is area c.for in the working directory, and it has rightfully allowed the coloring of the statements. Okay. Then the inputs, and before that I write here implicit none so that I can declare my variables explicitly. So I define real for inputs, RAD for radius, and pi for pi, and real for the area. So I will call it area. Right. This is for area of circle. Okay. Then I use a print statement. Print. Enter the radius of circle, and this the value provided by the user must be saved in the variable rad radius. And then okay, I require the value of pi. So since it is the data to be considered constant throughout the program, so I define it before these. So I define a pi value equals 4.0 times a arctangent of 1.0. So it will return me the better value of pi. So, okay. Then the final answer, the area will be equal to pi times r square. So radius square. So it is it is the radius times radius, right? So this is true up to this point, but we would like to add an option from the user. So with the data, radius. So now let's print the value for the user. Print radius of circle entered, and this is our AD value, right? Is equal to. So now I ask the user, print, do you like to uh, update or correct the value of radius, right? So then now I have to record the response of user. So let's define a variable for getting that. So response I define with the integer in integer. So I say response for response, or mm, I think option, right? For users option. Okay, do you like to correct the value? So I say again ask, press 1 for yes. Okay, because we can deal with the integer. So then read the response. So response, read the option, right? Read the option. And now I write if option is equal to 1, then go to 10, where I started the reading the data of the circle. Okay. So it will bring my computer control back to the statement. And if the option is that go with this one, it will automatically move to the next line, and this process will move on. Okay, it will perform the calculation and then finally print the results. So print the area of a circle of a circle circle with radius rad circle, okay, with radius equal to rad is equal to area, right? So well, over here I see I have gone to the column 74, so I need a continuation. So okay, so I go to column 6 and write here 1. So this is then the continuation of previous statement. I hope it will work like this. So now the testing of the program. I have to save the program. Okay, and then to run the program, I have to open with the cmd command window, the same folder. Okay, this is not this one. Okay, so area c for, and let's see that one. Let's see that one. Hmm. Okay. Well, thanks for the correction, and I have to save the program. It seems okay, but it is beyond physics experiment. So let's see. It is just a computation experiment. So in the right directory, I see the files. So there is the area C file. I can compile it G77 area C dot for minus O, and area C area c dot exe. Okay. So the area of circle, okay. So there is the problem, and I was expecting, okay. So I have to correct the lines 24 line, the area of circle with radius. Okay, this comma was not appropriate over here. It should be here. So separates two variables. And yes, these are within the Fortran allowed limits the for the executable statements. Now again compile after saving. Yes, I have saved that one. Okay, the critical step. Oh, it has worked. Now let's see the working. Area c dot exe. Area of circle for a radius 1. Okay, the radius of circle entered is equal to 1. Do you like to correct the value of radius? Press 1 for yes. So 1, yes, enter the area of enter the radius of the circle. So I would like to see 1, right? So I would like to see the value of pi, right? So is it correct? Again, you have entered the same one. So let's say, okay, press 1 for yes. So I don't want to, I approve the input, and then the area of circle with radius 1 is equal to 3.14159,274, accurate to several decimal places. So with this one, we have we can celebrate the success of the program, and this is the point where I say, because of your silence during this demonstration, so I say take a deep breath. It calms the mind, and I stop the recording.